some more cryogenic engine capacity has to be enhanced. So then only you can launch such a huge station. Right now, up to 8-ton class of satellite you can launch. Now 8-ton. So future now actually if you want to go for launching such a huge this thing. So actually when you go to space, it will be like when you deploy, it will be like a football ground station. Otherwise, any satellite for that matter, actually there is one the top stage if you see, no. So there actually the satellite, solar panel, your antennas, everything will be folded. It will be not deployed. So once it is launched, once it is injected into orbit, then solar panels also, whatever will be folded, no. So that will get deployed, and your antennas, no, so big antennas, so that also will be deployed. There are unfurlable antennas, so that you have to furl it like umbrella. So use almost, you may have to get a good signal, you want to monitor continuously 24/7. The spacecraft signal also should be good. So there, the antenna size, if it is bigger, then continuously you will get the signal. Small satellite means signal received at the ground, at the station will be very less. It will be totally buried in the noise. You will not be able to find how the astronauts health and all. So big antennas also we have to deploy. For that, no, actually it's very like a small mesh kind of thing structures we are using. So that will be totally, because there is no gravity, there is no air, no. What if you are deployed such a huge antenna, so it will be deployed only. There will be no this thing, and you can maintain completely 3-axis stabilized. Because once you go to space station, no, space station actually it should be stabilized. One axis should be pointing towards one axis, whichever solar panel is mounted, that has to be continuously see the sun generate the power like that, no. So we cannot make it as a tumbled way like the satellite. We are not allowed to go any tumbled way this way. So it has to maintain its attitude, orientation. Its attitude, it has to be maintained. Then only one axis will track the sun. Always sun will be, battery will be charged like that. So football ground is just it will be folded when you launch. Once go to orbit, then you can unfurl. So it will become a football ground. So for that, there are good quality materials are coming up that allied with CFRP we call it, carbon fiber reinforced plastic. So it will have a better strength. This iron strength is nothing more than that. Here itself you can build so many houses and all. After going to space, you can make like a houses and all, and you can manage. There is no this thing. There also simply you cannot go home. You have to wear a space suit. One space suit costs 1 crore rupees. We have already having 4 space suits for our Gaganyaan project. So like that actually, if you want to study the atmosphere, from there Milky Ways, galaxies, what are the black holes and all, so many scientific studies. For that, so you have to wear a space suit, where you have to take the oxygen. Then there are some closed chambers, that is where we call it as a crew model. And you have to send people for this space tourism. So many projects are there. So to demonstrate that, this kind of projects are coming up. Thank you.